The anxiety webinar is a product that people can take anytime, anywhere. It's some of my favorite anxiety skills, most effective, that I've packaged into a webinar. Honestly, I started to feel a little bit almost like a record, teaching the same skills to people over and over again. And I thought, people don't necessarily have to pay hundreds of dollars an hour for this information. They don't even necessarily have to come to an office for this information. So that's why I put it all together in a webinar. It's the 9 skills. It's the same 9 skills that are actually taught in the 9-week CBT program. Although in the CBT program, the 9-week program, it's a little bit more individualized. But if you're just simply seeking to learn some CBT skills for anxiety, then the anxiety webinar has just pretty much everything that you need. It has skills for panic disorder, it has skills for worry, it has emotion management, those types of things. The 9-week CBT program and the anxiety webinar are obviously very similar. The 9-week CBT program for anxiety teaches the same skills that are included in the anxiety webinar. If you're someone that's extremely tight on time, really likes doing things on your own, go ahead and try the webinar. If you're somebody that wants a little bit more individual attention, maybe have the therapist work with you to talk exactly about how you can use these skills in your life. Perhaps you'd like to have a little bit more time to do the background work, have someone help you to come up with your anchoring statements. That's one of the techniques in the webinar. If you'd like some more support and you have the time either to come in for an office visit or to have your visits over Skype, go ahead and take the 9-week program. If you're someone that's a little bit more self-guided, perhaps try the webinar. The webinar also has a really nice option on it, which is a 15-minute phone coaching sessions. So every few sessions that you're taking the webinar at home, you can speak with a therapist, talk about the techniques, and get a little quick support. But if you're someone that wants more in-depth support, go ahead and try the 9-week program. Well, thank you so much for taking a little time to learn about my practice and me. Just to wrap up, obviously we've got live therapy sessions available either with me or one of my associates. You can also learn online through webinars or with phone coaching. You can take the 9-week program as well, either in my office or by Skype. If you're interested in learning more, go ahead and plan a 15-minute call with me. You can call 212-729-3922 to plan your call, or you can book it online at bookmyappointmentnow.com. Thanks, and hope to hear from you soon.